Okay, hey guys, so I'm going to show you a little bit more about what you can do in Google Sheets with the role information that you've collected. So I'm going to show you a little bit of conditional formatting. First of all, I'm going to highlight the column that I want to conditional format, and I'm going to go down into Format to Conditional Formatting. It's going to pop up here on the side here. And what I wanted to do is, let's say I've got the students here that are okay, or I'm struggling a little bit today, and I wanted to make it stand out so that they appear in a different color, and I know that they're the ones that I'm going to follow up with first. So I'm going to, this is going to apply to the whole column of C. So any new ones that come in when the students submit the role will automatically be formatted as well. So I'm going to format the cells if the text is exactly. Okay. Now, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to copy the text so that it is exact. And you can see it's already changing the color of it. But because I don't want it to be green, I want it to be something that's going to bring to my attention. I'm just going to make it yellow if it's some of the kids that are only okay. And then I'm going to click done. Okay, so while this is highlighted, I'm going to add in another rule. And if the text is exactly, I'm going to copy this. It's struggling a little bit. I'm going to change that to an orange. Okay, and I can see that I've got one student that I definitely want to follow up with first. Something else that I like to put in is a graph. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the information that I want, and I'm going to insert a chart just because I'm a very visual learner. So I've got here the count of how I am feeling today. I'm going to customize it a little bit on the pie chart on the slice label. So on each of these little slices, I want the value to be on there. So I'm going to put that there, and I can see how many students are feeling fantastic or good. And then on the chart title and axis, I just want to change it to how are you feeling today. And I can leave that graph somewhere in my data. And I can see that these are the ones that I would be checking in with first, and then I would be heading over to my other students. Okay, so I hope that's helpful for adding in some conditional formatting and adding in a chart of your data as well.